Royal College of Emergency Medicine, how to add a post. Step 1, log into ePortfolio.rcem.ac.uk. Next, you're going to click the Create button, which is in the right-hand side. You'll then be greeted with a selection of options. What would you like to create? Select Add a Post. Please remember that the fields marked with a star are required. Select the date range, the start date, and then the end date. This can be no longer than a year. This field is optional. You can add extra information not already present in the event. Important. Your post dates must not overlap. Otherwise, you will not be able to select a different grade or percentage of training when adding a new post. Step 4, select your hospital. Expand the deanery and the trusts to select your hospital only. Five, grade. Expand the lists to select the relevant grade only. Tick the grade only. Step 6, FT or LTFT. If you are a PG DIT, select your FT in training equivalents. Tick the percent only. Step 8, speciality. Select your speciality. Step 9, save. Click Complete to save. Refresh the page. Your post will be recorded in your timeline and in your dashboard. Your post, when active, will be recorded in your dashboard's profile box under Current Information. Final tips. 1. Posts must not overlap. 2. To avoid difficulties, create a new post only when the previous one has expired. 3. Have you changed deanery? Please contact ePortfolio@arcem.ac.uk. Royal College of Emergency Medicine, how to add a post.